Welcome back to the course Scratch Programming for Beginners. Today we will learn concept of variables. Earlier we have learned the major types of variable like numeric variable, boolean and string type. Today we will learn the list. It's a collection type. Okay. So what is list? A list is a sequence of countable ordered element. A list variable holds a list of values. What does it mean basically? For example, the number list. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 5. So list is by definition is a sequence of countable order list. Order means the number one after another or the string one after another, and it should be countable. It should not be infinite. And there is a variable called number list. It's a variable. This is holding the bunch of values or a list of values that that is, I mean, number list is called the uh, list variable. So go for another example. Let's say number list one. It's containing 100 to 300, 4.85, 6.89. So it can be a combination of different types of numbers or strings. Another example, let's say fruit list. We have apple, banana, and orange. So everything is ordered and countable. Let's go to the next types of what type of operation can be performed on a list. So this is the operations that you can add an element to a particular list. You can delete the element in a particular list. You can replace a element in the list. You can calculate the length of that list, and you can you can find the index of that particular list. Okay. You can find a particular list. So in this example, let's say I have a number list. I have 5 numbers in that particular list. So if I add 6, I can add in that particular list, and then the list will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I want to delete a particular list, particular number, let's say particular number is 3, I want to delete it, then I need to delete from that particular index. Okay, index is nothing but the position of that particular element. So let's say I have an element here, let's say 3. Okay, and the position of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, its numerical position is also there. The computer program understand in a sequence. So if I want to delete that particular element, then I need to get the index of that particular element and need to delete. So index of that particular element is position is 3, that is first position, second position, third position, that is index position is 3. So I can delete that particular element using that index. Apart from that, I can replace a particular element. Let's say I have a list here and I want to replace 5 with another number, let's say 10. Okay, that is also possible, and we'll go through that in Scratch programming when we'll do some programming. And the length, we can calculate the length of that. What is the length of this particular list? Length is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If another number is added, then let's say 6, then the length will be 6. And index, as I mentioned, that index is basically the position. It's marking from actually computer software marks the position from starting point to end point. So that is starting point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you have a list, let's say 10 and 20 and 30, uh, in this list, then your index position, index first index will be, that is index 1, that is index 2, and this one will be index 3. And based on the index, we can perform some of the operation, replace or delete, that kind of operation where we are doing mainly based on the index. So when we'll do some coding on list, we'll go by that example. This video is a part of video series based on the topic Scratch tutorial for the beginner. If you like this video, then please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.